Hi guys, this is Dr. Spurs and I am making this video only for people who wish to surely succeed. So if you belong to that category, then keep watching. You see, we are in a phase of our preparation wherein we have started a few months back. There are few months left from the main exam. So we are almost in the middle. And that is the time when, trust me, a lot of people have a tendency to fizzle out. So I don't want you to fizzle out at this particular point of time. A key word that I want you to focus on currently is the words which appear behind me, and that is persistence. Now that is a magical word which is going to be consisting of 11 alphabets. Why do I say so is, if I can just give you an analogy, most of you might be cricket fans. You see, a good opener happens to be an asset to any team. I mean, we can't forget the contribution of wonderful opening batsmen like Sanath Jayasuriya, Adam Gilchrist or Virender Sehwag for that matter. We need to have a good middle order as well. But please understand the fact that the matches are going to be won only if they are going to be taken to a finishing level. So we had Captain Cool in the form of MS Dhoni. I mean, this guy was really an asset to the team because he made the team, the country win in all the three formats of the game. Why? Because he used to be there on the crease. He used to persist. And because of his persistence, he was an absolutely amazing match finisher. So I want you to understand the fact that, of course, once you have started your preparation few months back, and if you have started off well, then as they say, well begun is half done. So you have started off really well, but then there is a lot of tendency amongst people to fizzle out midway, or a lot of enthusiasm, or there is a setting up of what we call by the name of mental fatigue. I want you to understand the fact this is not the time for you to take rest. Maybe if you think that things are becoming overwhelming, you might as well take a break. Take a break after a fortnight, take a break after a week. But dare not stop. Please do not stop. Persist at this point of time. The other analogy that I can give you is, suppose you talk about a person who wishes to lose weight. I mean, this guy would go to a gym. You know, the gym owner would tell him that they are charging X amount of fees for like 1 month subscription. But the same guy would also give him a carrot in the form of a 3-month subscription for 1.5x. Now trust me, and that is what you might have also experienced. Now people have a tendency to go in for the longer subscription because that seems to be cheaper. But you know what happens after 10 days? The people actually stop going to a gym. I mean, that is not what you are meant for. You are wonderful people. You must focus on your target. So as and when you have a feeling that you are having a fatigue, I mean, just remember the reason why you started at all. So I don't say the fact, you know, everybody wishes to succeed. And people have a tendency to think that the toppers might be doing something extra. What is that extra that they are doing? It's not about grey matter. It's not about talent. I mean, anatomically, you know the fact. We all have an average brain size of 1.4 to 1.6 kgs. But what differentiates an average guy from a topper is the persistence. So at any situation, at any point of time, when you feel there is a fatigue, you might as well take a break. But please do not stop. Persist. Be there. Not only have a desire to succeed, have a burning desire. And that is what is going to be helpful for you to crack the exams. I wish you to follow that advice, apply that in your routines, and hopefully we are going to be having much more smiling faces once the results are declared. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep on liking the button and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Best wishes.